The Voyager Mega Briefcase display is the tallest of the 24-inch wide models. At just over 8 pounds and 32 inches high, the VY3 is the best choice for conferences, smaller trade shows, and large group meetings. The exterior of all Voyager briefcase displays are constructed of a rigid ABS thermoformed plastic. Graphic panels are attached with hook and loop and are quickly and easily updated to meet all your presentation needs. A hook and loop closure ensures that the panels stay closed during transport, keeping your graphics safe and contained. The canvas carrying bags are made of waterproof material. The full side pockets can hold the table cover and header, and there's plenty of room for extra graphics. The canvas bag allows for hands-free carrying of your entire display kit. The Voyager displays are the nation's leading lightweight self-contained tabletop display series. They include a lifetime warranty and are all made in the USA. Voyager. It's an open and shut case.